Hey family, and welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, I have another product review to do with you, and this is a digital electric kettle. Now this is by Greecho right here, and look at that gorgeous color. I'm going to take this out, so I wanted to do an unboxing with you. Okay guys, so let's get this open. First, they have the instruction book on how to clean it, how to use it for the first time. So let's get into it. I'm so excited about this color. You know your girl loves some blue, and this just, I was loving it. I was loving it, the way that it looked. And look at this cute little lid. Too cute. Wow. Look at the color on that. Now, this is the heating base. I was trying to do it with one hand, y'all. There's the power button. The see-through glass where you can see the water level. All right, I had to fix the cord base just right, and now the kettle sits right on. All right, as you can see, it shows you the temperature of the water. So this was just regular water from out of the faucet. Make sure that you definitely clean it the first time you go to use it. This turn dial tells you what temperature you want your kettle to be on. We're going to go up to 212. Then you just punch the button. I love this little short spout at the end. Stainless steel. You can pour a lot out of there. So we're at 212. And it automatically goes off. You can see the water boiling in there. It cuts off. You don't have to worry about it running with no water in there, so it won't burn it up, which is a very good thing. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and pour us up some happy birthday hot chocolate. So let's gonna take it off of there. And definitely be careful. This side, the silver is really hot, so make sure you're holding the handle. Let's go ahead and pour us up some. All right. Go ahead and stir that up. And that's a spoon. Very good. No lumps on the spoon. Alright guys, so if you wanted to get one of these yourself, guys, there's going to be a giveaway. Yes, it's going to be a giveaway of this digital electric kettle. Not mine, but your own. So what you have to do, you do have to be a U.S. citizen. Sorry for all my international people, but it is a US based shipping. And all you have to do, guys, you must be subscribed to my channel. Down below in the comment section, wish your girl a happy birthday. If you say happy birthday in the comments and you are in the US, you can be one of the winners of this. I'm gonna do a drawing, random comment picker. It'll get sent to your home, and it's something you can have teas with, all different types of things, anything that you need, some hot boiling water. This is the tea kettle you need to have. Like I said, there's going to be a giveaway. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you're new here and you've never been on here before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be able to be in this drawing as well. Alright guys, thank y'all for being with me. Thank you for this birthday month, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!